In this video tutorial, I will show you how to knit beautiful, simple 3D stitch pattern. Pattern consists of 24 stitches and repeats from the first to the 14 rows. A ball of yarn, knitting circular needles and cable needle. Custom 28 stitches. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. I have done 28 stitches. Let's begin the first row. I make 2 rows for preparation. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl, knit 24, knit 24, this is 24 stitch, purl 1 and purl the next stitch. 2 rounds of work begin the second row. Then slip the first 8 stitch and knit the knits and purl the purls. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I did 2 rows for preparation. These 2 rows not include in main pattern. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl 1, knit 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Take the cable needle, work with next 3 stitches, slide the stitch onto the cable needle and leave them at the back. Then knit 3, then slide back to the left needle, knit 3, the cable pattern is made in this row, and purl 2. In the next row, knit the knits and purl the purls. I have done 2 rows. Begin the row 3. Slip the first 8 stitch, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 15. Work with next 3 stitches, slide the stitches onto the cable needle, move it down at the back, work with next 3, then move back to the left needle and knit 3 from the left needle. Knit 3 and purl 2. 2, 3 is made. In the next row, knit the knits and purl the purls. Begin the 5th row. Slip the first H stitch, purl 1, knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Work with next 6 stitches. Take the cable needle and slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle. Move it down at the back. Knit 3 from the left needle. Now work with stitches from the cable needle. Slide them to the left needle and knit 3. Knit 6. Purl and purl the second one. I have done the 5th row. In the 6th row, you should knit the knits and purl the purls. Begin the 7th row. Slip the first H stitch, purl and knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Work with cable stitch. Slide the next stitch onto the cable needle. Knit 3, 2, 3, then slide them back onto the left needle. And knit 3, 1, 2, 3. The cable stitch is made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knit 9 and purl 2. Knit the knits and purl the purls in the next row. Begin the 9th row. Slip the first H stitch, purl 1, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Work with cable needle. Slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle. Leave them down at the back. Next 3, knit 3. Move them back onto the main needle. Knit 3. Knit 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 2. Knit the knits and purl the purls in the next row. Row 11. Slip the first H stitch, purl the next stitch and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Work with cable stitch. Slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle. Move them down at the back. Then knit 3 stitches. Then slide them back onto the main needle and knit 3. Knit 15, 1. and purl 2. Knit the knits and purl the purls in the next row. Begin the 13th row. Begin the 13 rows. Begin the 13th row. Slip the first H stitch, purl the next stitch. Work with next 3 stitches, slide them onto the cable needle and move them down at the back. Then knit 3. Now knit 3 from the main needle. Knit 18, 1, 2. Purl 1 and purl the last H stitch. Knit the knits and purl the purls in the 14th row. I have done 14 rows plus 2 rows for preparation. To continue the work, you need to repeat from the 1st to 14th row. I continued the work. I have made pattern 3 times, so we have got beautiful, interesting 3D pattern. I will tell you about main things of this pattern. The pattern consists of 24 stitches plus 2 purl stitches for more beautiful look plus 2 H stitches. These 2 purl stitches that we did for more beautiful look, you can make 1, 2 or 3 or 4 on each side. It can be different number of purl stitches if you plan to repeat the report in the width. Next time I will show you how to make 3D pattern to the left side. Also, you can join these 2 pieces together in large piece of work. The second pattern you can find in tutorial 36. Don't miss our new video tutorial on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.